Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Amen, psychiatrist, founder of Amen Clinics, and the author of Your Brain is Always Listening.
And I'm Tana Amen, nurse, vice president of Amen Clinics, and the author of The Relentless Courage of a Scared Child.
As you know, this is a historically stressful time. Before the pandemic, anxiety and depression were at epidemic levels. Since then, it's like almost everyone is struggling with anxiety, depression, grief, and trauma.
And this spans the generations. I mean, kids, they're anxious and depressed. The elderly are isolated. And you've got the sandwich generation that's worried about both of them.
But you don't have to feel this way. There are strategies and tools that we use at Amen Clinics that can help you get control of your brain, your mind, and your relationships. And to help you, Tana and I developed a 6-week, day-by-day course called Overcoming Anxiety, Depression, Trauma, and Grief. We teach you the process we use at Amen Clinics with our patients. And the first part of the program, we give you an overview, and then we talk about the Bright Minds risk factors.
So there are 11 major risk factors that will steal your mind, your happiness, and your life. But if you get control of these 11 major risk factors, you can prevent your mind from going to the dark place.
So the first part of the course is we teach you how to optimize the physical functioning of your brain, and then how to tame the 13 dragons. These are the big psychological issues that a lot of people have. And then we work on how to optimize your relationships, your deepest sense of meaning and purpose. And then based on your work with the relentless courage of a scared child, you actually teach people how to begin to rewrite their story.
You have an opportunity to move forward, and that's what we want to help you do with this program.
You can learn what I've been teaching my patients for 40 years in the privacy of your own home, anytime, anywhere. Tana and I will be your guides.
You can watch anytime from your laptop, your smartphone, anywhere on the go, anytime.
So please join us on this journey to have a better brain, a better mind, better relationships, because you truly can overcome anxiety, depression, trauma, and grief.